In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Evernote. Whether you're working on a detailed document or simply organizing your notes for better readability, understanding how to indent text can significantly enhance the clarity and structure of your work. Indenting is a straightforward way to visually separate sections of text, making it easier for you and your readers to follow the flow of information. To begin, let's talk about how to indent in Evernote using your keyboard shortcuts, as it varies slightly depending on whether you're using a Windows or a Mac computer. This method is not only quick, but also enhances your efficiency when navigating through your document. If you're using a Windows system, the process is incredibly simple. All you need to do is position your cursor at the start of the paragraph or line you want to indent. Once you're happy with the positioning, just press the Ctrl key along with the letter M. That's it. Your text will shift slightly to the right, creating a clean, consistent indent. This method is perfect for bullet points, creating subsections under a main heading, or just making a particular piece of text stand out. For those working on a Mac, the process is just as easy, but uses a different combination of keys. Start by clicking where you'd like to indent. Once positioned, hold down the Shift key, then the Command key, and finally tap the right bracket key, which looks like a closing square bracket. This action will shift your text, giving it that neat, indented appearance. Now, while indenting, remember that this small adjustment can have a big impact on how your document looks and functions. For example, when working with lists, indenting each point can help delineate hierarchy. And when writing creatively or putting together a research paper, using indents can create visual pauses that make reading through your document much easier. In both cases, whether on Windows or Mac, you may want to double-check your document after indenting to ensure it aligns with the rest of your text. Indentation is subtle, yet important, so maintaining consistency throughout your document can make a world of difference in terms of visual appeal and professional presentation. With these simple steps, you now have an efficient way to organize and beautify your notes in Evernote, enriching the readability and effectiveness of your written communication. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Evernote's text formatting capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe to get more helpful tips and tricks on using your favorite tools to their fullest potential.